Bonjour, my name is Denise Willerton and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I want to welcome you here, and this is just a little sneak peek of a class that I'm going to be teaching at the kind of end mid-April. I'll just see how it goes. So I am just throwing it out there. Let me know if you would like to be in on this Joy Fancy Fold card. So let me show it to you. So here's the card. Now the design paper may be different. On the card, I will cut the kit for you and send that to you if you have prepaid, and then we will do a private YouTube video on that. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this up. This is what we have here. And then this opens up, and there's where you would put your wee little sentiment. So this closes, it opens, this opens, this closes, and you can design this any way that you want. This will be a YouTube video as well as a printed tutorial that I will send to you. The kit will be cut and ready for you to assemble. Any stamping you will need to do at your place. And let's do this. Let's make a beautiful card. Let's send some love out there to someone. We're all needing to connect. We're all needing to show each other love. Let's do it. Let's not hoard this beautiful design paper that we have. Once you have the tutorial, you are able to recreate this as many times as you want using whatever design paper that you have on hand. And what a beautiful gift for someone to receive in the mail. Talk to you later. Have a great day. And please send me a message, DM me or PM me, however you want to say that. Or if you know my email address, you can send me an email in regards to that. denisewillerton@gmail.com, and I will have further information on payment with kind of 3 options: with a kit, without a kit, just the tutorial, etc., etc. So too much to go into right now. I will send you an email with further information. Just let me know. I would love to have you join one of my classes. Have a great day. Be blessed. Be encouraged. God is good. He sees you, and He knows where we're all at today. So give your heart to Him. Trust Him in the midst of the storm. Thank you for popping by, and I hope to hear from you. Bye-bye.